This report featured two separate segments that seems to pit Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin and Litecoin, both happening to be circulating on social media, and I feel are worth mentioning regardless of what crypto is my favorite. I'm trying to be fair by including Bitcoin Cash in my report. Bitcoin Cash has many supporters who also support Litecoin, and there are even some who think that Bitcoin is the common enemy of the two. It's easy to get wrapped up in all the drama, but the truth is the mineable crypto in the top 10 of market capitalization are all on the same team. I want to say we can all learn a thing or two from the marketing efforts of Bitcoin Cash supporter, even if we don't agree with the content. Transaction Highway or txhighway.com compare Bitcoin Cash in Bitcoin transaction in a visualization scheme of cars and trucks on the road. The website is an excellent way to see transaction rates in real time in a format that most everyone can easily relate to. Transaction Highway seems to be pro Bitcoin Cash by design, but actually effectively demonstrates the superiority of Bitcoin. I'm sorry, Bitcoin Cash fan, but I recommend clicking the link in the description box below to the unintentional comedy for yourself. There are many references that depict issues Bitcoin Cash supporters have raised with Bitcoin, so it seems that the creators are really Bitcoin Cash supporters and not conducting a parody. Regardless of intent, it is a fun website. Lighting up, besides, a Bitcoin Cash can deliver on its promises that will be reflected on the website. People will stop laughing, right? That's cool. Speaking of the website that demonstrates Bitcoin Cash metrics, Litecoin creator Charlie Lee tweeted a couple of days ago that information that a Bitcoin Cash supporter tried to buy Flappening.Watch. Flappening.Watch is a website that compares the metrics of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin tend to lead in every metrics other than price per unit and market capitalization, which is somewhat puzzling to people and presumably a bit embarrassing for Bitcoin Cash supporters, as they are often accused of pumping the price of Bitcoin Cash and, let's just say, not being accurate in their claims of Bitcoin Cash's actual performance as a payment crypto. According to the data on Flappening.Watch, Litecoin is clearly the primary crypto for payments. You can find a link in the description box below. Nigel Green, founder and CEO of Dever Group, told MarketWatch.com that he expects the price of Ethereum to rise to $2,500 this year and to go higher and higher in the next few years. Dever Group market research indicates that more and more platforms are using Ethereum as a means of trading. There is a sharp rise in smart contracts supported by the Ethereum, and Ethereum have proven to be decentralized. Mr. Green believes regulation in cryptocurrency is inevitable, but will ultimately lead to long-term confidence in the market. Now is the time to make money. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin? BitcoinTeam.Club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I would leave an affiliate link for BitcoinTeam.Club website in the comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.Club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal which members enjoy, despite the opportunities available to members to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 levels. Isn't this amazing? I see BitcoinTeam.Club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. The Bitcoin community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Thank you for taking out your time to watch this video. Please hit the bell button below to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. Please check the comment box below for the following website: Flappening.Watch, BitcoinTeam.Club. Thank you once more. See you in my next video. Bye bye.